adofo me chiachi amu nyina mo United States of America baby obia wo bia na me chiawo me nim se bibia etu mpon kama se wo hwe me a bomode na share video esesi a na wonu a wo ben wo so no onya bi enhwe bomode share video ni sesi a na wonu a wo ben wo no onya bi enhwe me din Daddy Fred Shatta Wale din nsem bia tudwa na saa nsem no ye bedwene ho paaye obi a wo USA bia na me ma happy Thanksgiving me nim se ne that's no nko e United States of America ha Thanksgiving manfo da manfo chia busianfo wo mo je omani kakra ebinom so da omadofo no ase e wo niema pa bi a wo mo ayama omo eni nhira ne adum bi a wo mo ayama omo enti obi a wo America ha bia no ye ma happy Thanksgiving adofo no ye hia na enehia ye hia no ye Shatta Wale party tuntina ye hia wodi sabia tudwa enra munyina mo hu Shatta Wale isem enra wodi etudwa na ye ba be ba mu na nsem na wokan ye no wo so reaction a wo fa ho no me mereduru amema okwan na wo so wa kire wadwene e wo nsem no ho enra Shatta Wale wodi Ghana fo atempa na okaseti ya wo man Ghana papa ye samo be kaya na nsen me de asem be tudwa me di ye program e ma munyina mu tie ye na eni se woko UK London abrocheban mu na wo ye show na Shatta Wale gusu ye show no asama obie na no e ka kire wo man Ghana eni wo mo audience e wo ho hwe bi nyina ne se Ghana is a village na eno no ya ntia se kura wo free so o maame wo ho o papa wo ho wo busiafo free so na obe sell Ghana abroad na edim puntu abro man no udi omaina tem etre outsiders na okoto onyom no as capacity se Shatta Wale wan kasa na okoto wonyom usika na akopeye wan kopesika ama oman Ghana ena nya oman Ghana na de ukọ wa kontuo wo ye Ghana ni ba wo je visa ena ukoye on free land no Tom Shatta Wale on free America Tom Shatta Wale on free Italy Tom Shatta Wale wo ye Germany ni wo ye Ghana ni enti wo ho na wo ye nyumtoni na omaye peja onipa wo mo oman no peja wo no na se obeba omudin na wadi omatema eyema na tu wiase de upeja encheresa wo chen oman no me hu se anyomtofo ma ba wiase oman Ghana mu a oma gidin no sa anyomtofo no omo adidi oman Ghana atem obia de buo ema oman no free mu obia show respect oman na ofri mu na wo ye Shatta Wale na onyagopa peja wo bonyom ho atom bibia so oni mrewu enya nwom wontimi peja wiase forever eje ba bia wo peja waduru no fa buo mo oman na ofri mu no ba bia ofri ansa na ba ye Shatta Wale no na wo sorry na wo diga na attempt kire outsiders na no wa betena a live video na wo diga na fo nyina atem oso papa Ghana ni bia moa obia moa man peja ni sei obia ene anya yasem wa peja enokre wa na obo anwo enokre ba wontemi emedi Ghana fo atem just like that is we ya Shatta Wale and so what we ya nyumtuni na onyum kosore so what nya ni pa nyina akra na anyum mutie o enti so obi tie na opewasema ana so supporters bi na omo pewasema enkyere se wiase nyina akutaw e wo Ghana no wa be di Ghana for atem just like that asam kra o kan ye bufu kra e tan kra wo ni se obetumi mama bibia si wo Ghana na de be si wo Ghana no o mampanyini e ni police fo kra no just o mo pa na chew who are you Shatta Wale onya Ghana ni wo ye Shatta Wale wo ye Ghana ni ba e di so wo ye Shatta Wale na wo ye Ghana ni ba wontimi threat na oman na ofiri mu no se bibi wo na aboa bibi wo na apagya wa oga you need to show respect o remember where you were brought up, remember the situation you were in before you got to this level. You need to show appreciation to the country you belong to. You don't need to just insult people in the country just like that because you are Shatta Wale. And so what? And you are Shatta Wale here in the Nurano. There be a young kase or young Yamabia. ya na wo se wo mo ben no omo tu nofo na abere nyina no sabe wo kwa a wonim se wachichia enti omo ben Shatawale omo ntu nofo a se ye ntu nofo bie mo ye ntu nofo bie de wo ye ne ma che ne pepepe o my Ghana obi abusuani wo my Ghana o nchen Ghana Shatawale o nchen Ghana o ye Shatawale you are not greater than Ghana enti o ye Shatawale na wonyom onyom 2 3 4 4 bi na ekosoro kakra mawa wonna wawrade ase sa Ghana aboa na onyoma picture Ghana aboa na dipedi wachi okoto nyoma fa info ne di wachi Shatawale okoto nyoma info ne di wachi wakotira London obeka sempa kire London Ghana fo ewo hono say Ghana is village when we are WhatsApp tonight live video amanfo no say obepa achew obebunko todwe ahomrase wo de bepa wiase no na wo di Ghana fo atem just like that obi anka say o town e na wonyom so awobo no ye nka say ye nyina yetie wonyom yesa mo ma join me nyina me chia me mo bi ache me ma akwa abatema ba na na ya obrepon me chia ma me ngege na na bonzi me chia ba bia wo bia me chia ne abusiafo nyina ma me ngege na Shatawale we are see this obi benwa na se wo ye ade na ye mfumso a nipa na oben wo no be ka cho se ade a wo ye de ye mfumso sesa na afi ye niema ebeboa ama niema tumpon wo akwan edi Shatawale unya manfo mo ntufo ana wankasa untimi ntu honfo you come on live program insulting Ghanaians just like that. If you don't have respect for any Ghanaian, it's up to you. Likewise, Ghanaians don't have respect for you too. It's reciprocal. If you do something right, we also do the right thing. And if you're speaking to Ghanaians, instead of showing respect, you just say, I am Shatawale, and you are insulting people overally from your mouth. Why are you taking things for granted like that? Now, if you are what you can say, or mine, or bet my the OPBA, or my bet my cause mayhem, or less police and the president will beg you. Police will beg you. This is what I've been saying all the time. But when he does something wrong, the law must be applicable to him, irrespective of his status. That's why he's just playing like that. And you might be pretty white, I tell you, my Ghana. You be a niguso. Yan Chenaso. Hotel London, and I want to be a campaign Shatawale. Kana would him know our number plate and any number plate. Kana would the corner, our number plate and any number plate. Say our number plate. Now the car call. Now our number plate. And I say any number plate baby I'll corner. Okay, don't bear the day. On being pound the car, no mark on the cranko. Now baby I want to dear. What the respect? Emma or mine. Uncle Jina Bonting. And new Bema, ever show Burnum, ever bunting, and chat and from social media. Ever baby a country now one. But Ghana the way, and into Ghana, a village, and into the Ghana for them just like that. Obia Babusiani or Ghana, who sick can't to Ghana. On young tuano, entimin to my Ghana, Shatawale. So being country, Ghana buy and Sana Shatawale Uba. Ya would have Onama na we hustle, onama na nyama bobo we chandam streeter, udi by the far side at chino. Obia your fan, me your fan. Oh ya de na meka. We nipa me di wachi me tie wonyom, me pe wonyom pa. Ba wo metina wo me di Ghana for atem. E ma ye nhwe say ye mia ya no. Ya nesa na, ezakwa ye the service to the country. About 40 hot no mamia or mano, na Shatawale di Ghana them just like that. Or discrediting the integrity of a country. Or my kakrakawi, nipa do a woman and nipa nim and monyam for title for a mo sika mo ni sika ni nyina ye nipa. Odi buo be mo peja wono. Oh sorry and I be di Ghana for atem because you are Shatawale. We are Shatawale and so what? We are Shatawale and so what? What chen Ghana for nyina? Ana wo chen nipa wo Ghana. Enam say a police for or ye niema na nya. E kan wo de the car enam the driver did the car nama. Without license plate no. E kan mo impando car no. Kamu de ne kogina asindi bia. Ko ntimi nyina wo keka nsem no ken. Abrochire America ye we anyum to follow omo yam from so bia they omo nya above the law. They are equality before the law. So whatever they do, the law is applied to them accordingly. And to say law not apply to them. Now we are Shatawali, now Bonyum, now Numbabonte, now Ghana, because we are Ghana, shatter movement. And so what? What do you mean family show some more Ghana? And something will happen in Ghana, and the Belgian will be to me. Over here then, they have been a bit my ear. Shatawali, they have been a bit my ear. And you're Ghana for the Pejao. Nye Ghana for or my Ghana ni Pejao. Ye pewasem. Enti mobuo no enya first priority. Ebuo manenya wo first priority. Bo nipa e wo my Ghana mu. No my Ghana so nipa no mu. Untimi because I don't respect anyone in Ghana. Likewise, yes we respect you. Ye wa busia wo my Ghana mu. Ye wo fa no. Ye wo nananom, ye wo ai maame no, ye wo papa no mo. Onchen omumu bia. Untimi mfa wo sika ento omumu bia. Se nipa ne ehia ni o, onye ehia ni o. Nya wo sika for ba na 3 ba na we kuta no, e na ade beto omo. So wo sika, oni Ghana for ni dia na nkwa na du sika. Enya nkwa na du sika. No abetena se Shatawali. Ye jeje wo sinti bibia na wo di Ghana for atem just like that. Obeto anyomtofo e wo man Ghana mu. Why na beto no? Obeto anyomtofo akese e wo man Ghana mu. Ebi ne hefo. Obeto anyomtofo. What is that lumba? Or more matonyo mako echire no. That lumba Shatawali e mibusawo. What is that lumba afa? Mike edi Ghana for atemda. What is that lumba? Wafa microphone. Edi Ghana for atemda. Onkwa Shatawali. Ona was our audacity no. Edi Ghana for atem just like that. Because oye bibia ye can reach now. Otimi di omine otimi ebegina omine anim ehwe o bodyguard asum they all guided with stage ye nya ohwe enti officer wawie obi a all guide o se be ya obi mpra on stage otimi hwe na asum ye nya ohwe enti we Shatawali usika ntimi nto Ghana fo wate usika ntimi nto Ghana fo onyom ntimi nto Ghana fo mum ne to onyom ema wonya sika edididi Ghana for ne to nyom ema peja o koto na wonam se o koto wonam landed wonam koto no fine to na woko enye Ghana for e wo nkuro no na woko obo nye Ghana for e wo other countries na woko obo akwa to na wonam a wo ye to no him for ne beba show abetutu eska enye Ghana for na oba wakoduru Ghana for mu obeka asempa ma Ghana tumpon obeka asema Ghana peja ena Ghana is village. Okay, that is your opinion. Obi ani asemka justify Ghana is village so a brabe pacha wa di Ghana tebe pacha wa baba sabe diatem poto so be close radio stations down obetima close radio stations down oba ya sa na radio stations a Ghana e ba na say obeto radio stations ana say ona be biebie we be radio station be Ghana no be closing it down only modalities say the closing will be down and every say titrasem no Ghana e titrasem country ana open say Ghana e titrasem country Amingo Alasan all kasan so tie did you tell him to stop talking ya munye nya atwom sa semasa stop what you are saying munye nya atwom sa sa wabusuani wa Ghana na wo do wabusuani na ne nsem hunu na wakaka ye no wo be reply Ghana onso nche Ghana Shatawali you are not greater than Ghana for ene to nyom Ghana for ne pijaw Ghana for na ama wadu ba bia waduri what is say kodwanchi what is say kodwanchi akojira ba bi aka say tia Ghana anokuta Mike di Ghana for atem now what begina live program apologize to Ghana for if you like and I did that body and now ferry who di Ghana for who the old rally who be one who di Ghana for atem open so Ghana for Open so Ghana for Share obi message be a watcher. Obra say Obra ni warabo trade. You think round through he say call him and talk to him if you think he is not right. Engineer man hunu na okeka ye no support no. Engineer man hunu na okeka ye no obetena live program keka ye no. Wani age. Monya nya atwum saa o. Ena ontimi mfa ni sika ento bia. Ena ontimi hunu na Ghana for so. That is what I want to make it clear to him. Shatta Wale, you can't buy Ghanaians and you cannot intimidate any Ghanaian. You were born in Ghana, you came to meet the name Ghana. You have to respect the country where you were born. Yawu my Ghana nurse for energy wa wo. Nurse for any doctor for energy you travel from Ghana. Onya America ni o, onya land ni. O tu kwan no plane ben visa ben na de ko ye. Dia ben passport na de tu kwan ko ye. Enya Ghana passport na de tu kwan ko ye. Na wa ba wa bigina ho a wo be di wo mine na tem be discredit your mine integrity. E ke cancel mu bi a kire Ghana for. Because we Shatta Wale. Obi an taiwo. Me taiwo. Me bo nyoma bre nyina e wo me kam. Da bia me kasa asem. Ba wo ye niema bi na niema tantanya ye beka. No one is perfect. Sa wo chia na obi ka da nipa na se. Anyom to for one America kese no. What is obi afa Mike adidi America for atem like what you are doing? Sia niema. We are see e koye nim. Utu kwan sia de ohun ba bi no. Enya titira sem and you see what I go say I'm gonna treat you I'm gonna do it has nothing entimi nya obi aku. Ontimi nhunahuna wo bia wo Ghana. What do you mean? We are Shatta Wale so what? We are Shatta Wale so what? Ontimi so nhunahuna blogger bia wo Ghana. Blogger bia be na duma we ade na ya ye beka. We ade na nya ye beka. Ye beka na nopa awia anwumre ene ahomachi ne tambia. So we ade na ya ye beka. Now my kakraka da ho a wo ye wo man nu. O ma me no papa ti o man nu. Na wo be di Ghana fo nyina atem generalize the whole thing. It sope o man to say there. O man ko an Ghana fo nyina pa bi na wo. Se obi ban no on kan kire na. Ye de ye ka kire no. Se wo ban Shatta Wale na se wo ntimi ntu no fo a. Ye de ye tu no fo ontie. Ya kan every time oba be di atem. Yes, I can be no matter in Simbi or Beckham. So Udigana Tema, you better reply. How? Udigana for Nipper war my Ghana Tema. So being country, what you better reply. Obin a casual Secretary London, Nekokasa Ghana for ye villages, and that's what Ghana is a village. One now go to London now Kokai. Naka Boomaya, what to quiet Common on it. Deba then was a Kafa mine. O do manya e wo msanya Ghana na ma Ghana na ye bibi ma so se Ghana fo nya hwe ma enso nanu oba bonten be ka se enam se Ghana ye din ti kwa obi anto series nya Ghana fo na to series nya Ghana fo na to nyo no aba obi di Ghana fo atem bebre na ebinum so te wa e na afre ne ka che na wo to ye Ghana ni a wodi watem wonim nyansa se obo so wodi watem o ma me no papa onti kromo bi o di o munyina atem onti. Why am I near man quiet and time cry too much? O being cancer, why ye ever come? More would have for my soul. Maybe more for my soul. And tear near me be a Shatta Wale or Kai, no more with a Mormon judge. Ninsema or Kai, but someone to be more video in Moby. Namun tear Ninsem power the tuja. No more judge say, see a Tenoria say, Eki can't seem say extra or my free more. Namun judge, oh my free mu. Now we can simply say extra woman out free mu. Wa kasa jeje. Never say what o man mu. Na say okay can simply say extra woman eye. Dia be ne mano no. Dia be ensem bia emfata kora no. Fabuo ema woman a ofiri mu. Fabuo ema woman a ofiri mu. Na Africana now betina live program. Now we dig Ghana fo nyina atem generalize here. Nobody fucking ever paying my royalty.
suffer. Where I humble myself, show respect. That be I come go say I go fit on certain platform, I go fit on certain platform. You know the humbleness I take go there. Or if you say if it musical or poor or copyright or somebody where they go talk to people, make they sign me, make they give me money for sure. What's I sing banana from Ghana? Nobody ever even think of, oh Charlie, where this guy and right? This guy is a good musician. But you people go to Ghana, the food, the media, the things, and they talk to people constantly say, no, let's live as one family and promote Ghana. So if one artist they hit, check how experienced the artist is. Check how bold the artist is. Check how commanding the artist is. Check how so active the artist as artist is. And that be all showbiz. You put it there, did it. Charlie, you see, when I talk don't see like that too. Don't see like that too. Don't see like that because this is a movement. We will rise. You see, most of the youth I know from Ghana, from Tamale, Sunyani, Volta, Takradi, Eastern region, Camp Central region, Greater Accra. My guy, what Shatta movement go do for Ghana? He passed election. What Shatta movement go do for Ghana? He passed anything. Me, I love my country. So if I talk say Ghana be village, Ghana be village. Because when you do, when the media intends you to do this thing, you visit the president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Go after him, listen to your radio programs. Or go after him, even listen to the nonsense they talk. You visit the president who said the nonsense Ghanaians, some of us, we so stupid Ghana. That's why we fly go Dubai and they go try the wall. Because yeah, we are not allowed to fly go anywhere. Unless I get so. Because I love Shukura, I love Nima, I love Mahamobi, I love Kaswa, I love Ashiyama. That is my tourist attraction. Abowa. But if someone say leader, who be leader? I don't break any rule. I don't break any law. That boy, if I don't want to do anything, I ask police permission. If I won't go see president, I try my best and go see. Because see ya, even music, and this one when I make I go see. He says something in Akufo-Addo. Abowa. If me my birthday, my birthday, we are treat. We president reply me. When I saw me, what see ya? Man, they work, man, they uplift Ghana, man, they won't do things. Then people they Ghana, they talk your mind, they talk stupidly. Stupid like somebody will know the reason. You see right now, me I tell my management, my effort, advance Ghana, me meet them. Everywhere they present a radio station, where they talk, where every blogger, where you see me here, I go set example play for Ghana. Make I finish my talk. Make I finish what I do. Ghana go hear of me. Ghana go hear of me. Me not be say I won't call somebody make a talk for me. Me they talk my own talk. See me naturally. I know what I'm doing. Nobody go show me anything. Me, nobody go show me anything. Because I know what is right and I know what is wrong. Fools. The body Ghana, the system. See the way the system talk for Ghana. The whole thing be like. Nothing they go on for Ghana. That's why the president will go look away and say, no, we don't have problems because we don't complain. The complaints we do about are hunger complaints. Hunger. The common demos are broke-ass people. That's why before I will say, me I say, listen to me again. I say, I get money for a Ghana artist. Fuck everybody. That money I make it, I make. I love music, he give me that money. If you need, I humble myself, and I collect money for my shows. My show money, where I take make myself. Because see, how many CDs man they sell for Ghana, I take me money? Or how many cassettes? I have witnesses, I have records. My fans know how many times I put full songs on Facebook and make it hit. A boa. I'm not make them because see ya. Or if you say you probably fight somebody, I don't be that type of. I don't be Sakori, I don't be Stonebwoy, I don't be them foolish Ghana artists where they Ghana. Me am first. I won't make money for myself and my family and my fans. What see ya? Oh, talk shit and things like that. Like, you know everything for Ghana. Hey, make her come Ghana. People don't fear me. You don't fear Shatta Wale. The name where you do Shatta Wale, it not be just name. It not be just name. So make people just not fool with me. Don't see me like that. Don't Those foolish people where they take Ghana with, they won't do like, yeah. One shatter movement rise. That way Ghana will see me, I make serious. Because we tired. People they talk about the system, the way and jobs and no. We know if you come together and say, Shatter, how we go to make this thing happen? How you go to make this thing happen? We now the youth. But we take them, we take something. We take something they play. And they for it. If anything. Don't you see me, I know be there, this is where you go for it, they won't flex people. You won't rush people. You want your people say, you do this, you do that. Me, I get everything already. I got fucking 2 only on my wrist. That's my fucking rollie. That's a day just. That's I start perpetual. What do you mean? All you bodies say the thing they play. Because say your artists see the way this thing from. This thing they take by house. A boa. They are gonna make all this money. And somebody go, how did you make your money? I make them do truly. When artists say when they pay me, nobody they talk. So me fantasy me nam kwange. I fought for my rights. I fucking fought for my rights. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like I did Ghana where I don't know what I do. Huh? The people who the job for Ghana made the job for Ghana. But like I said, if I come Ghana, if they don't talk to these media men, if they don't talk to these bloggers, Ghana, you see, true Shatawale, Ghana could change. Me, I don't mind. You see me? Me, I don't mind. Because me, I make ready, I go put my life down for Ghana music and go jail. So you see any fight I won't fight, I'm me now. What do you mean? Every day you put the gas ready. I want a music in that should go. I want a music in that should go. I want a music. Then you get there, you don't want to spoil the artists. You don't want to fuck up artists. You don't want to talk about artists. They there. Make her come Ghana. And make her hear face on radio station. They talk now. You see the beating where we got people for the radio station? You see the beating? Forget it. You police where you go say this thing. Make her hear. So somebody tell radio. Where they talking now about Shatawale when I did Ghana. This time, no one is you. I don't lie you. If I know you say my Shatter movement go here. So this Shatter movement will rise, they can't rise for Ghana. Because we tired. We Shatter movement, we don't want for test. The way the system, they have man of people. I should say some of you where they talk stupidly for the, you know the honk. Even in Shatawale, they talk to me, I the honk, I the hustle. You know the honk. That's why he did it. He talk stupidly like the system be cool for you. Yeah, he be cool. Ghana be like Dubai for you. Villages. Your villagers where they hunt visa. They won't come America. They won't come Europe. They won't go UK. Villages, Ghana. You can't build your own country, but you want to come into another man's country and enjoy. You are very stupid. Anybody will get Ghana. Well, no say Ghana no fun. Like the places they go for holiday and vacation. Where still they watch Ghana like that? They're not person all of Ghana. And I'm saying this to the president. If I wake up and do something for Ghana, because see things where Ghanaians they talk, I'm sure he's not hearing it. That is the president, Mr. President, Ghanaians are saying you are making them suffer. You are not making things go on well in Ghana. People's jobs are getting spoiled. The youth are crying. Most of them are taking up life upon themselves. They want to do things on their own. Mr. President, like the way you care about the economy and everything, I beg, if you go ban these radio stations and channels, if you tell them they tarnish and they fuck up Ghana. That's why the radio station where they make football, if you go on. Because if you listen football adverts, football or football program for the way they insult on our players. Oh, how? When I own Black Stars, they put them on radio, they throw them back and front, back and back. Hey! Black Star where you get money past radio station. Black Star player where you get money past some people them are family. You can't sit with it up and you go to insult. If you say that thing go move Ghana, if you say when I'm football go for it, say when I'm football die. I know when they kill Kisiata, Kwame, Eugene, Kidi, all those coming up can promise, all those boys may they come up. I know when Ghana can spoil that thing. Ghana. I say, let's wake up. It is not difficult to wake up. Let's wake up. If we stop speaking for our mind. Because when we don't take care, what could happen for Ghana here? What could happen for Ghana here? CNN until you come. What could happen for Ghana? Because people first. They are the travel, and they meet Ghanaians where they can't do it because of the system. People first. So don't sit there and they talk like, yeah. Your motives back. You will say, you will talk my face. Can't talk my face. When I can't get a senior talk my face. I say, I don't have something to think about it. Charlie, me, I won't do things. So you see anybody who won't try to cross my line, I will cross you. Forget everything. But see, I show you power where you get. I will show you power where I get. Abowa. Nonsense, stupid country. Ghana is a village.
All right. I don't know much. The you say, but we say be no more trust. Oh, that's the way they only attempt. That's the way they only see. Okay. So what can so much there will be? Turn now with the back Kassan. Some would say. And don't change. So what two of mine for? Fine. Baby, I will come here, come on. And they say, people verse. A man for some matter to the a man for the say, and no right and crap. Ultimately, wagging. But a new or minor term. Say, a minor village, and the dinner pair war minor term. Even more woman, you go switch a person which I say, or man to say, or cassette, I been. But a clear what he was so uti in the so who two for that one cassa betanasi. Now what she was in more. Said you would see the nipa biakra becassa. Said you obey Siakasa actually nipa. And no cry and respect us no cocra. Yanshani said, Albert now one and call church limu, or to the boissy cassa, a church in Simuchra Mamfoa. Can be better nasi. And no structure and west in ye crana, can be better nasi. But won't me mediatem. Now watch a lack of papa bakumi no from. No I said diatem, no papa bakumi no, no I said diatem, no I tem no baby dear, but open near maybe I share him, say be a becasu, no come up pacacrana, you know the yanka. A idea or share that plan is will be diatem. Ghana is not a village. And then I'm person want to clearly say Ghana and a village. Depend to one a nipa titiru. Enye sika enebe manipa apeja obi owa oni sika enso na sum tono na hotono enye nipa nyina so na benya sika at a given period of time enunti se awrade abo shatawale na wayeya kuro ben so na woyeye efiriye o my Ghana mu na woyeye o my Ghana mu na nipa eto se sa woteye wo se na series ne de ende ekura no nya Ghana fo ne to emani nya sika no I'm on records there and there in the money Jessica. Fine, what to make your views are. But at the same time, what Shatawali ye be catch Ghana for say. And them say economy near manye yintino. Ghana for crying to me and to series. Hey for an annual more casem. Hey for an annual to me to series and a walker. And it is all quite so much the we are saying. Obi antimi ngagi obi so obi kire na dwena obi beka se wontimi kire wadwene na eni nipa e wo man no matem enti so wabeka waba wo nchen ababie wasum aka gu wasum asa no se wodi watem uje se waba betenase na wo so wo na wabeka gu wasum asa no se wodi watem o se Shatawale amanfo bi etimi ekasa kire no na se wankasa ummu empanifo bi a enfamfra Ghana fo nyina Ghana fo enfamfra Ghana fo nyina o kaso se Ghanaians wankasa ne maame ne papa nko ahu wankasa ne wofa ene ne nuanom Ghanaians no yeso abusuafo ka Ghanaians no etian hwaw e ma me di Ghana fo atem just like that because we Shatawale. Now we are Shatawalia, and it's the Ghana for atem just like that. America yeti, what you say? And you Tunibia sorry for Mike Sinenim. I a live program, Ghana America for atem sada. Oh, I didn't I fine. Baby Akobo show no be any London, baby Akobo show no. A new development area. Our Afro no CC ho. Eniti ehofe. Enti culture say oh, minianum, baby a me ko hu ye no kra no. Ewo ye kama pa na me nwanwa say Ghana de baby e tria ne et. Aden, den nyina ye ka bi. Ye nyina condemn ne ma bi aye koso. Ye nyina busa mpanifo say nti omutu kwan a. Omutu kwan mu mpuntu a e koso wa ma no ne. De ba de no mo ye de boa se be your mind bitumpon. Keta se hye ne proye e moa ma my Ghana ntumpon. Amanfo penyuma aye, amanfo complaini. Enye party sem party we. De aban bi betena so be ya ma Ghana fo ho atom no. Ene ne hia. De be e ka mo asem. Ene nti se wo ka asem na. Kan politely kakra. Se nipa e wo man no mu no. Se wo be di nipa na tem no. Enye. So wo ye ne fan. Te say na ye ne fan. Aye tie ne nyoma ye ne gye no. Se oye ade na nya. Ye ka kire no. Ebi se wan ka kire na wa nya ade. Wan ka kire na wa ma. Only also to be advice matter oni papa ni. No one is perfect. And into the baby a wo kwa ye wo advices e wo no. Every place ye wo advices. Advices no mutuma de anything. Even presidencies kura no more advices. Say be ya wo mo betu o mo fo so mo chia. Nipa sa wo chia, wo za wo chia wo. Sa wo chia, wo za wo chia. Jese obi etufo ansa no wo say wo chia. And it is all chia no person ditum so chia. Fine. But Ghana de ontimi ni Ghana for atem sa. Ni sika ntimi nto Ghana for. On chen Ghana for. No. And it's kakra me ba ya. Shatawale titiru mechira madwene e wo no. Obia wo kwan se o kire na adwene. Osu wo kwan. Obia wo kwan baba so a kire na adwene wo asem. No one is perfect. Obia ni wo nim bibia kosi awieye. Enti sa wo man a wo aye twa wo furuma e wo hospital ye twa furuma wo America wo. Ye twa furuma wo country bia. Ghana ni twa wo furuma. Ghana man energy wa wo. Ema wo betina wo my Ghana mu. Ghana wo ko school ena wo nyini ye na wo to nwuma na wo pedi adu sei. Kwadantwi ye wo ne Ghana wo. Wo ntina wo ni Ghana fo atem. Daddy Lumba ye wo ne Ghana, wo ni Ghana fo adem. Ampadu ye wo ne Ghana, wo ni Ghana fo atem. How much more? So betina stay. Na wo kasa te say the 2 million nyina ye wo dia. We are seeing nyina anya wo dia wo. We are say anya wo dia. We a product of Ghana. Ghana ni shawase. So wo sika kura cha America musicians kura na untimi omun kasase. America musicians wo hu ba bi ebinum tete. Wo hu manshi omutim, wo hu sika omo wo. Wo hu companies omo bi ebi. What is omo di America for atem like that? Na ebinum si onya atwumti. Ebinum support because obi a one choice. Ebinum obi a support. Glory a glory as politicians don't listen. Glory na ye can be. Say politicians no. E mere do say o man ejapade e hye o monsa. O mo de be boa ma o man na tumpon. Na sebe say Ghana will gold, diamond, bauxite, aluminium, Ghana oil. Na still a man for complain say come di omo. A man for sofa no bo ka ho asema. Ye nyina ye ka. Ye chechire mu say enya nice. If we say nka kura wa oil de nka o man no ketum pompa Ghana cocoa diamond bauxite aluminium bibia wo man no esu sika die ebinu pese menkumnya sika na o nko an wasem o mo ne o girlfriends ne o ma de fine utimi kire wadwene obia one view utimi kire na anya zo be kasa na wadi ni pe wo man no atem anya right eya nim guase ogu Ghana nim asema no ne anya frɛ ebiso ono okasa nipa bebree tie na wakasa na nipa bebree betie no na nsem we na abekeka eye se daache hima ne kokasa ase ya e kama so daache hima ye na daache hima yesi na daache eso Shatawale edidi wo man na tem no obi amiana no omiamiana no sima wo se de wiase sitie wo se de wiase sitie obi amiana no Ezo bia hu se eni nsema wo kekeka no enye papa ebe nya wontimi nka se de opebi obetimi na Ghana obi ntimi nya ne hwe Shatawale Ghana mra ya adwuma mu Say enema bi no afa ho scot free a. Te say wo take am na wo twa live video. Na almost seat belt o drive. And no cry your evidence e was say enka omoma citation right away. America bet matraka with that seat belt. And now corona was no yet torn European country no. Obet my driver with that seat belt. There be a Shatawali ye or the live program. Or Gamoshi will be a cabin channel. Ultimately will be assumed. But she will be assumed a stage. Yan caption channel. Ojinani fear nimu. Na okutatuo na otokosu pa yanyane hwe. Or the car any number plate any insurance yene dia this man akura de nantinkre ema police for stop no ema okaza Shatawale dia ma police for Shatawale eba ho obedura wase di police for natem no watwa afasoko aya sempa eni di Shatawale ne ma wo ye no emwa ne kasa ne se do si kasa no emwa o afuto bi afatu no na on sesem free sa ne niema no entina wi ase enye sa wi ase o so di buo e ma mpanifo Ghana so chen Shatawale on so chen Ghana e so chen Shatawale so chen Ghana wo sika onko ane wo manfo namfofo ne wo busuafo ne di musika wo na on ato aduane ma Ghana fo di na obekan general edi Ghana fo nyina atem yesu abusuafo enye ona afidi abusuafo. What are you saying? Now you better than so no wa be di Ghana fo atem no ko just cut freezer osika ntimi nto nipa dasani sawa akasa wo osika awo ye Shatawale obi bia wo ntimi nto Ghana fo radio station na oka na me kurusu radio station na me say na radio station na akokọ ye interview enya atwo enye wo na akọ a project music ma enye the same radio station si na organize programs ahodo akoto ni mu ase enye omo na wo bebo nyoma moko ye publicity wo ho a onyum ko ba bia ena radio station me closing radio station say no bi e wo Ghana no be closing down onyum ko e fa so bia adwuma na close adwuma down bia wo de ne close wo de down enye obi a wo bia ne de a wa employ am for mo ye adwuma no omo de na akọ closing down usika na no wa bie ayi e fa de say nsuo factory kra mo bia nya adwuma ye usika wunya no nya mpa so na adeda na ade tu ato mpa no ho e do dollars a social media no ebo magana fo nya adwuma ye adwuma nipa benya ye no otu kwan kwa amanone a ankora ne bia adwuma e ma nipa nya adwuma ye aban bia oteso adwuma no bia oboawo e ma ne ma wo se wohia loans ne ne ma obenya no osaka ba ankora ne bia adwuma enti so wo sika dan ma wo mansion so wo car so de na wo sika wo so betima bia adwuma wo nima enkran na nima fo boys ne di wachi ene ayifo ne di wachi a wo de bia wo se aina shatter movement na wo so ko bia adwuma bi ama shatter movement fo no na wo so anya adwuma ye na amanfo be di wachi sa na wo be di amanfo atem because amanfo pe wasem wo ba nyuma yitie enti no di Ghana fo atem just like that oya wine Shatawale oya wine onya ni bad said obi ayi nipa enya Ghana fo ne pejao enka woto wonyom no ena wokoye wokoto nyum stage na Ghana fo ma program na se a enka obeye den wonya nipa amoma ba anyum ase mebusa Shatawale enka beye den wonya nipa amoma ba anyum na se fabuo ema wo mo a omaboa amo apeja fabuo ema wo mo a omaboa amo apeja enye nya atwom na wodidi amanfo atem just like that no en solve problem bia amanfo wodidi o matem no en fa bibia ama fa buo ebuo emma wo mo a enam mo so awapagya na mejo na obedidi atabra mo amati bi obi a okọ fa so express no se niam anko ye wo economy no na se wo be express wo ho fine obi atimi express no but e make an holistically emedi obi atem e wo man Ghana mu how we are Shatawale a chen Ghana ye village one am amiti o one am papate passport ne kuta na de tu kwa no he for passport Republic of Ghana passport on free London te say Amanda no tete London no what I say on free London on free Germany okobo wani akonma na wasa ba fie eno ano yo ukwaye ma time visa emire sei sa kuro na awokoso no wontimi ntena so nche bra oba America ha no o visa de ma so ohunu ye ma visa se bra beto nwom ne sa akọ eni tina ato nwom wie ya sa akọ ye no umfiri America omo matena ha 20 years 30 years 40 years no omo kura ni Ghana for atem omo more properties ewa America Ghana for more properties or America no and other countries no omo ni Ghana for atem na betena se na wanya sika kakra wo be de wo urade ase wo be hwe ba bia wo free ansa na urade pagya wo no akesesem sema utimi di amanfo atem just like that kauti ho urade apagya wo no na wafa pen ni paper na wakan se urade urade emre bi etwam na me yeseye o na masetena pa na ne ma nkoyi urade hwe emre na me di ba the far side me di ma me doko na chi anansi programming me ka hu bio na me kora na me bontwene kwan be pa na me di fa so be do se ti urade me da wase ye wa pejame me so me boa me man na me maye tumpon a mind for supporters a wo mo man nu ma wo mo boa me o ka se o se shatter movement o nya Ghana for udi atem na o nyina udi o matem se woni ma o mo nyina udi o matem na bi obi nkan kyerɛw o mo so nkan kyerɛw enti e de ye beka na no pa awia anumere on chain o man Ghana Shatawale on chain o man Ghana na ka amafo edi wachi a wo kana shatter movement o di wachi o fans a mo di wachi no me your fan no ti me kwa wadi matem cause me obi a me pe wo me boy me da bia ti me your fan ti wadi matem enji obi a wudi amafo atem no hu se omo aso na se di wachi fine economy ne niam ankoye a economy ne niam ankoye ye nyina ya mwa na o man ne niam ntumpon ye nyina na na do so ye masa Ghana tu utimika ye nyina ye timika itimi lambas utimika bibia ba eni atem ene ne hame efisem penifo wi ase yete no ye se fa buo e ma panyini chata wadi mfie sen wadi mfie sen omo a wudi o matem no woni mfie o madi and obviously be slow and wait when I come Ghana you fit talk you see what I dey na bit my Ghana emra eye adwuma na kona ko yes anya manu bi obum ba bi ababa akose on timi fa to me nsha wonsa say me kwa ko bani radio me ko close radio station down wo ko close radio station down woni ko fa so ye fa so establish radio station woni process ye fa so establish radio station de wonim ne se oba akotena ho no wakasa na wo ko ya de no mo kan ho asem de a wonte ase o mo ne ka cho se ko jira London e ko kasa Ghana e village radio station for the kasa ko kasa asem se Ghana e village na wo ko kan wie na mo so chire no what ma wo kan no ugu Ghana ni ma ase Ghana nye villager wonte ase asada ko fa nsem mo nan na o mo di players atem e na o mo di nya no ne e ka wasem a wo ko kan ye no no mo ji wa no wasem a wo ko kan ye no e na Ghana for reply wo it is anyama na o mo di radio stations atem e na o mo kasetia na economy no na de yeah what should that anyama na ba hihim e pepa oniema na ko kan ni guase akogu Ghana e wo London no e no what should that we nyina hihim akatakata so chata de betima ka bi o de obeka bi e betima ka bi a kire se ye ma wo de ntena se e ma wo ndi Ghana for atem just like that e pe wasem yes sir ye wo boni ma yes sir we a good artist o boni ma yes sir o tonyum kama wi ase o bra wo ase a wo ko haya anyum tofo e wa America omo aya omo page omo bebrebe no so wo ma wi ye eventually ube na bi gina court na de na courtum for life omo page aye akese omo sika akese producers akese on se binum kra dem for life edinti sia their research nehu the ato anyomtofo any producers bia omo sori omo ya akesesem omo kaseti anipa no ene omo mu obia no hwede to omo nefa yesu yahunu na Ghana na onim se bibia sa ntimi nsi ba akwa ama no ne na uko behave strangely or ho mara no enu bedi ne se de sitie so de onim se Ghana obetima de ope na wakọ ba akwa ama no ne ba bia wo de nam ne namo na kwatena car mu drive car without license plate never de nkebesi Udi Ghana for atem yes yebe jirawa ma every day no di Ghana for atem na oko every day no di Ghana for atem na oko no be di Ghana for atem na oko Ghana oban kase we nipa 27 million ene wo man even more than that oni me binum caliber e binum oni suku sa kase e binum akọ oni sika ekuta binum oni me binum so sika wo muni obi ni sika enkyere se oni mbrabo ana e binum so wo ho muni adwuma enkyere se oni mbrabo Everybody na page na ade ayi ama na wo break say o mo break e bi no mo break say no the everybody page wa for buo e ma die kwan ye fa so everybody page wa Shatawale won chen Ghana wontimi nye obia hwe tom e wo Ghana o mo bi na ade bebo man na wa fofo anyomtofo e wa America on se binum empaboa wo beti ono ane mpaboa wa bi adwuma na binum anya nnwuma ye ono na yi friend say cosmetics wo bie ebinum nya nnwuma ye o moa companies o ma bie e ma binum nya nnwuma ye ka oso bie na odin da so Shatawale a ka o mo a wo kan shatter movement hin fo no ke binum benya adwuma ye na binum akoma o mo sa akoma no enya so odu sika be gu mpaso o dollars abi gu mpaso na etuo dan chen na wutwa won mu o manches wo cars wo the ensesa bibia nya na to aduane mo obidi. It is only boys nam. Now I know Jack the way to bottom Jack the way to and will be able to marry you. And it is also more Ghana my critique enabling environment. Will be a bit my year. More also bet me at the year drama. Aboa more minor 2 pound. So far boa. Nijatim the day never boo and many petty or mine. Maybe see her. Madam, I say, I'm replying never say she must have a see her. Send me a back. Efa osofo no asem no ntimi de baba jisi ya nche makra me did Daddy Fred a very very sad situation na yen show na me kan ye no na ma o metena se oda me ba yen show ma metena se na me di Ghana nyina atem ade Ghana ayo boni ben Shatawale Ghana ayo boni ben yen show ma anya sa ade no all right so o kire wadwene se niam anko yi a na so ntimi medi o man ni nyina atem just like that sa oka ye be kirem yeso be kire ya adwene obia wo kwan a ono so timi kire na adwene enti yeso ye be kire ya adwene am wo bu se wasem na wo kan wo so kire wadwene e na yeso ye kire ya adwene sa pepepe timi da ma se makram